Hi, I am Elsie. I'm a second grade teacher at Lincoln Elementary School in Ottawa, Kansas. I have been teaching for a year and a half now. I graduated from KU in 2017, so I'm midway through, not even midway through, about a quarter into my second year of teaching. I am seeking this degree. Honestly, I knew I wanted to go back to school and get my master's fairly quickly after graduating, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Um, this pathway seemed to open the most doors for me. I wasn't super passionate about technology or a library or anything reading specialist wise. This interested me the most out of all of the different options, and right now I am content being in the classroom, but I know that later down the road I may want to kind of explore other options in administration maybe or curriculum. So this kind of allowed for those options to be on the table for when the time comes, if the time comes. Um, my own background in regards to this degree really because I've taught for a year and a half ish. I don't have a whole lot to go on. Personally, I don't consider myself a big leader only because I like to I kind of like to fly under the radar and get things done at my own pace, not have to rely on others all the time. So this I guess this could kind of go with being an administrator, is that sometimes you just have to do things right away and then kind of tell everyone else about it later or explore other options later with people because sometimes there's just a deadline that needs to be met. And I consider myself an efficient person when it comes to trying to get things done quickly. As for my strengths in regards to school finance, I honestly, again, have not had a whole lot of experience with this, but I am one that if there are other options or if we can try other methods before trying to purchase something else, I am all for that. In my classroom, on a personal level, I know that before I go out and try and buy or find or purchase resources for my classroom or just the school in general, I am very frugal with that. I want to figure out, is there a different way I can go about this before I purchase this and realize, oh, maybe I'm not going to use all of this, or there was a better resource that I didn't really explore before just buying this one. So I would say that's definitely a strength. I like to kind of weigh my options and see if there's other ways around it before making that purchase. As for weaknesses, I would kind of put that with a strength. I don't normally I feel like I'm running out of time and I'm just trying to get something for the moment. So there are occasionally times that I will buy something or purchase something just like on a teacher level with my classroom, and I will realize, yep, I that was not needed. I didn't use it like I thought I was going to, or there was just so many resources that were not effective in the classroom or what I was planning on using with it. So I guess a weakness could be that I don't explore my options to the full potential that I should before purchasing. So that's something I would definitely need to be more aware of and kind of familiarize myself in that field before taking on an administrative role and dealing with school finances. Um, that is all I have to share for this first module. Thank you for watching.